Argentina's Ministry of Defense has announced the procurement of 6 Bell 407 GXI helicopters. The government-to-government contract was executed between the Ministry of Defense of Argentina and the Canadian Commercial Corporation. The Bell 407 GXI helicopters will be operated by the Argentinian Air Force and Army to assist in search and rescue missions. John Ramos, Managing Director, Latin America, said, "All 6 Bell 407 GXs will be outfitted in a utility configuration critical to rescue missions in Argentina's mountainous terrain." The 407 GX's Garmin G1000 HNXI flight deck enhances situational awareness and reduces pilot workload by delivering easy-to-read information at a glance. The Bell 407 GX's new IFR capability will allow all-weather operations.